Welcome to the Q Stack. So in this session, I will explain the difference between retesting and sanity testing. So retesting is done to verify a specific defect or bug is resolved or not, and in this we will execute the same test cases that were failed in the last build, and we will execute those in the current build provided, and we will check the results. But in the sanity testing, we check the related functionality around the bug and to make sure the system is stable. And the scope for the retesting is very narrow, only specific to that bug. But in the sanity testing, scope is slightly broader, and our goal is to check whether the defect is resolved or not in the retesting. But in the sanity testing, we check the build is stable or not. Let's take some of the examples. If tester reported any bug related to the login functionality, so in the login functionality, once build is provided, he will check whether he is able to login or not. But in the sanity testing, he will check logout functionality also the navigation after login, and he will check nothing is broken after receiving this build, and also related to these functionality around the bug. Let's take another example for the payment failure in the e-commerce website. So bug was related to the payment failure. So in the retesting, tester performed the testing on the complete payment process. He verified the payment, and but in the sanity testing, he will check the related functionality like add to cart, checkout, payment, and order confirmation to make sure the build is stable related to the related functionality. Let me know if you have any question related to this topic in the comment box. I will try to answer those.